so my name's Dave and I work for ICT-Direct. Primarily we sell refurbished computers, ex-business, into schools. This year though we've decided to do something a little different. We've created our very own low-budget multi-touch table. The point of it being to give schools a design and technology product that will save them a lot of money, engage all the students in electronics, metalwork, graphics, and the maths and science behind creating a rear projection screen. Now with that you'll get a guide which teachers can use to assign groups in class, and those groups will go off their separate ways and get all the components together, and the end result should be a table such as this running Windows 8, which will act exactly like a Microsoft Surface tablet. So the principle we've gone for is a technique called total internal refraction, whereby you shine infrared light in from the sides of the display surface where it is trapped until a hand approaches, refracting the light down into the receiving camera inside the box. Now doing this allows us to detect any number of multi-touch gestures up to over 100 individual points. An easy way to show this is to pull up the calibration and show the tracking created just by waving your hand over the top. And all I'm doing there is reflecting the infrared light from the LEDs on the sides down into the box itself where all the main work is done. There are 5 main components to this device. At the bottom here we have a very basic HP DC 7700 running a Core 2 Duo 1.86 GHz dual core processor. Only 3 GB of RAM, it runs Windows 8 no problem whatsoever. Secondly, we have the camera from a PlayStation 3i, a bargain at £35 with an excellent frame rate response. Now we've taken out the infrared filter and put in a visible light filter so we can only see things in the infrared spectrum. Hence the LEDs being the second component right up here at the top. We have 2 banks of them spaced at 1.5-inch intervals, and they fire the LED light into the top perspex where it is trapped for refraction later on. And finally, our projection surface is created by a DLP projector firing vertically down onto a standard mirror, any type of bathroom mirror should do, which then reflects the image up into a widescreen ratio onto the surface you see at the top. That's all there is to it really. So that's it really. It's been 3 months in development. As you can see, it's not quite working with Windows 8, but that will be worked out in version 2, and after that we'll be offering it to schools as a project for the kids to do. We'll be giving some kind of competition. We'll get back images of all the completed products, and then we'll see which one we think is the best. We'll come up with some kind of prize, and we'll display it all on our website over the next year.